Today I'm going to be unboxing Hearts2Hearts Lemon Tang. So I got 3 versions of the album. I got Lemon Beach. I also got this jewel case and this random member sticker version. Let's start with the Lemon Beach version. Let's see. I like keeping the stickers. Then I'll just place it somewhere random, like here. Anyway, let's dump out everything. I'm trying not to look. Okay, flip it over. This little cord tie thing. So when you open it up, you're kind of like forced to go to this page, and it has the lyrics on there. And it's important to keep this, or else your book will fall apart. Let's see. So I chose this version because the colors were a lot more toned down. And I love like this whole concept. It's cute. So this poster comes with it. Kind of crazy because like this was the version I was avoiding getting, but I'm not mad at it. It also comes with this postcard, and on the other side it is Yeehaw. Here's the CD. Lemon Lemon Sour. Lemon Tang, I know you hate it. Sweet and sour. And then this just says we are lemonade. The CD is just the 2 dolphin logo. Okay, so we have 2 photo cards. Let's start with this one. And we have all of them. The next one is Yeon. So I got everyone and Yeon. On to the next version. Next, I'm going to open this jewel case. Another sticker. So this is how the cover looks. And this is the back. Here's what the CD looks like. Here's the photo book and lyric sheet. So first thing that came inside was this sticker. Okay, for photo cards, let's start with the pre-order benefit that came on the outside of it. So I got Stella. 2 more photo cards came in here. The first one is all of them. And this last card is Carmen. Now let's move over to the last version. So for this last version, I chose a random member and they gave me Ju. So the first page is the sticker sheet. After that, it's a photo book. like how they included everyone and it's not just you. Okay, so with Photocards, this first one has a QR code on the back, and on the other side it is all the members. And this is just an instruction card. I got 2 photo cards. The first one is all of them. And the last card I have is this one. And it is Carmen. That's it for this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.